We will tell you about the 10 money habits of the millionaires that you should adopt too. If you could adopt these money habits of the millionaires and follow them sincerely, you will accumulate a lot of riches in 2025. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. They refrain from incurring debt. Avoiding debt is a practice that can significantly enhance one's overall financial situation, excluding the mortgages associated with their residence. To build wealth, it is essential to avoid incurring interest expenses associated with consumer credit, including credit cards and car loans. Due to the high interest rates associated with credit cards when balances are carried, it is essential to prioritize paying off these balances in full each month and on time to maintain a favorable credit score. Charge only amounts that you are certain you can repay and generally avoid the use of store credit cards. These financial products are characterized by low credit limits, elevated interest rates, and restricted usability. Number 2. The multi-millionaire individuals buy cars in the motive to utilize it over a longer period of time. Generally, vehicles experience a decline in value immediately upon leaving the dealership. Self-made millionaires generally purchase rather than lease new vehicles, intending to retain them for an extended period. Maintaining long-term ownership of vehicles allows individuals to allocate the duration between purchases for accumulating savings that would typically be directed towards monthly payments. To finance a vehicle, it is advisable to repay the loan promptly and to retain ownership of the car for an extended period following the loan's completion. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the like button as it motivates us to make more amazing videos after doing the suitable research. Number 3. The millionaires possess emergency funds. A robust cash reserve available for emergencies is highly beneficial. An unexpected expense, such as an urgent car repair or medical bills, can be managed effectively with a readily accessible rainy day fund, which allows for immediate withdrawals to cover such costs. This approach eliminates the necessity of charging expenses to a high-interest credit card or obtaining a personal loan. Many self-made millionaires maintain savings equivalent to 6 to 9 months of their monthly expenses, whereas financial experts typically recommend a baseline of 3 to 6 months. However, individuals should tailor their savings strategy to align with their specific cash flow needs. Any contribution will be beneficial. This represents an initial step in establishing a robust financial foundation. Number 4. The millionaires allocate resources. In the process of establishing an emergency fund, affluent individuals commonly formulate investment strategies, which may include allocations in stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). The millionaires recommend establishing a monthly or bi-monthly automatic transfer of funds from a checking account to an investment account. This approach eliminates the need for manual investment management, allowing individuals to focus on utilizing their available funds for living expenses. The majority of my clients do not perceive the absence of that money in their cash flow, allowing them to utilize their invested savings for future car purchases, vacations, or other short or long-term objectives without incurring additional debt. It is advisable to save approximately 20% of one's income on a monthly basis. This 20% is allocated to savings plans, an emergency fund, retirement, and investments. The amount deducted from your paycheck for investment purposes is largely influenced by your income and investment objectives. However, acclimating to a lifestyle that excludes that 20% can significantly benefit both your savings and investment strategies. Prior to making an investment, it is essential to assess your risk tolerance and establish the time frame for when the funds will be required. Individuals in their 20s or 30s who are saving for retirement can typically assume a higher level of risk in pursuit of greater returns, as they will not require access to their funds for several decades. Assuming a retirement age in the early 60s, individuals in their 40s or 50s have a significantly reduced investment time frame for retirement. Consequently, individuals tend to exhibit greater reluctance in assuming risk in order to safeguard their financial assets. Number 5. The rich and wealthy utilize all available resources provided by their employer. It is advisable to examine your employer's benefit plans in detail. Companies provide a range of retirement plans designed to facilitate savings and investment opportunities for enhanced financial growth. To maximize benefits, ensure that your contributions meet or exceed the level required to receive the full employer retirement match. The match essentially represents a form of an earned financial gain. Employer-provided life or disability insurance. Group plans offered by employers can provide considerable savings compared to purchasing individual insurance policies. Employer Health Savings Account (HSA). Employers may match contributions to a health savings account (HSA) up to a specified limit for eligible individuals. Contributions are subject to tax deferral. Legal services for employers. Examine whether your employer's plan provides legal services. Utilizing the legal services provided in your benefits plan for the preparation of estate planning documents, including wills and trusts, can result in significant savings on attorney fees. Number 6. They do not attempt to emulate the lifestyle of their neighbors. Striving to match the financial status of peers often leads individuals to incur significant debt. Repeatedly living beyond one's means ultimately results in consequences. Resist the impulse to acquire the most recent technological devices. Significant financial resources are expended on continual upgrades, resulting in both monetary loss and missed opportunities. It is natural to compare one's life to that of others, however. It is advisable to reassess one's lifestyle and budget, prioritizing elements that align with individual personal goals. These factors are essential to your financial performance and overall well-being. Number 7. They employ tax deductions. They attempt to reduce their tax liabilities whenever possible. This encompasses identifying potential tax savings across various areas, including retirement plan investments, home mortgage payments, contributions to charitable organizations, college financing, and health savings accounts. Ensure active participation in initiatives and programs that offer various advantages. Consultation with a financial and tax professional is advisable in this area. Number 8. They seek alternative sources of income. A significant number of multimillionaires branch out their investment portfolios by incorporating various assets, including rental properties that generate passive income. The average individual is unlikely to possess multiple properties. However, alternative rental opportunities exist that can generate passive income with minimal effort required. Options include leasing a room in your residence or renting your vehicle during work hours. Number 9. They initiate college savings for their children at an early stage. College savings plans, such as a 529 plan, enable affluent individuals to initiate their children's educational funding early, thereby reducing future financial burdens. However, the long-term benefits extend beyond this point. These plans permit tax-exempt withdrawals for educational expenses. Initiating the process early can lead to substantial savings in future cash flow and tax liabilities. Initiating the process requires minimal effort. However, the advantages of compound returns can be significantly advantageous if one allows sufficient time for growth. Number 10. They request guidance. Finally, individuals with substantial wealth consistently engage in acquiring knowledge regarding their financial matters. The individuals possess a fundamental comprehension of their income, assets, and the expenses associated with their investments. For numerous individuals, the processes of saving and investing money can be daunting and perplexing. Fortunately, numerous free online resources are available to provide guidance. When seeking a one-on-one consultation with a financial advisor, it is essential to inquire about the fees associated with their services. They ought to provide transparency regarding the costs of their services and offer clear explanations of your finances and investments. Your advisor ought to function as both a collaborator and an instructor. Please subscribe to our channel now, and also share this video with all of your friends, as this small action of yours motivates us to create more videos for you all.